So, hello, dear students. From now, we are going to start some new questions of the chapter Knowing Our Numbers. So, question number one is there before you on written on the whiteboard there. Okay. So, question number one: a box of medicine tablets contain 2 lakh tablets, each weighing 20 mg. What is the total weight of all the tablets in grams and in kilograms? So you have a box of medicines. Let's say this is the box of medicine. Okay, this is the box of medicine. Medicine tablets contain 2 lakh tablets. So in this box there are many tablets here. Tablets you must be knowing of medicine one. Okay, so this way there are 2 lakh tablets in this box. Okay, each weighing 20 mg, and weight of one tablet, suppose let's say this is one tablet and its weight is how much, you knowing? The weight of one tablet has been given here as 20 mg. So what is the total weight of all the tablets in grams and in kilograms? So inside this box, what will be the total weight of all the tablets? Weight of one tablet has been given at 20 mg. So what would be the weight of all 2 lakh tablets? That you have to find out. The answer which you will find, that will come in milligram. Then after you will have to change it into gram. Then again you will have to change it into kilogram. So let's find out. Okay. Let. Here I am writing. Let. Sorry, not dot. Weight of. Weight of one tablet is how much? 20 milligram. This is the weight of one tablet. So how many tablets are there? 2 lakh tablets. Therefore, right there. Therefore, weight of 2 lakh tablets. So can you tell me what you will do to find out the weight of 2 lakh tablets? Weight of one tablet has been given. So what would be the weight of 2 lakh tablet? Yes, you will multiply. So you will multiply 2 lakh by 20. So how much it will come? It will come 20. So just multiply it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros will be there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0 and 2 2 ja 4. So this would be the weight of 2 lakh tablets. So weight of 2 lakh tablet is how much? 40 lakh milligram. So this would be in milligram. So this would be the weight of 2 lakh tablets, this much. But you have to find out in gram and in kilogram. Okay, what is the total weight of all the tablets in grams and in kilograms? So now you have to change this into gram. Now you must be knowing milligram is smaller, gram is somewhat bigger, and kilogram is more than this. Okay, so to change milligram into gram, when you are going from smaller to bigger, then you will have to divide. Okay, then again from gram to kilogram, then again you will have to divide, because we are in increasing order. So while you are going from milligram to gram, so in 1 gram there are 1000 milligram. So you are gonna divide by 1000 here. Okay, then again whatever the answer will come, then again you will divide it by 1000, because you must be knowing in 1 kilogram there are 1000 gram. So first you will have to change this milligram into gram by dividing 1000. So this you can write in weight in milligrams. So here write first weight in grams is equals to. So you will divide this 40 lakh by 1000. So 30 will be cancelled. So answer will be how much? 4000 grams. So this will be the weight of this much tablets in grams. Okay, now you are to go from gram to kilogram. Now look here, what is the total weight of all the tablets in grams in kilograms? Now you have to convert this kilogram into, sorry, this gram into kilogram. So again you are gonna divide this by 1000. So here you will write weight in kilogram. So it will be 4000 divided by 1000. So how much it will come? 3 zeros will be cancelled. So answer will be 4 kilogram. So total weight of the box in kilogram will be 4 kilogram. So this is how you will solve this one question. Okay dear? Just note it down. Then after we'll move to the next question. Noted? Okay. So let me erase this. Now we are going to solve the next question. Okay. So next question is, let me write. Population of Sundarnagar was 2,35,471 in the year 1991. So I'm writing here question number next. The population of Sundarnagar was 2,35,471. Was 2,35,471 in the year 1991. Okay, so in 2001 it was found to have increased by, here it is, in 2001 it was found to have increased by 72,958. What was the population in 2001? What was the population of the city in 2001? This you have to solve. Now see, the population of Sundarnagar was this much in the year of 1991. So in the year 1991, let's say this is the year 1991 and the population at that time was 2,35,471. Okay, now what is it saying? In 2001 it was found to have increased by 72,958. Now in the year of 2001 this population have increased. This population has increased. Plus how much increase? 72,958. This much population has been increased. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out what was the population of the city in 2000. So in 2001, how much was the population? So what you will do? You will add this. Okay, but by method you will write it. Okay, so let's write here. Population in 1991. How much was the population? 2,35,471. Okay. Okay. Now the population in 2001. It was increased. Here it was increased by 72,958. So here we write, therefore population in 2000. So what you will do? You will add both. 2,35,471 plus 72,958. So this you are gonna add now. 8 plus 1 9, 7 plus 5 12, 2 carry 1, 9 plus 4 13, plus 1 14, 4 carry 1, 5 plus 2 7 8, 7 plus 3 10, 0 carry 1, 3,08,429. So this will be your answer. So this much will be the population in the year of 2001. Getting this? Okay. Now the next question. Just note this also. Good, then. Now next question. Question number next is, just write down the question which you have to do on your own. A book exhibition was held for 4 days. Here I am writing. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. In a school, the number of tickets sold at the counter on the number of tickets sold, the number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final days. Final means fourth day, because the exhibition was for 4 days. Okay, so the number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and the final days were respectively how much? 1094. This much tickets were sold on the first day. Second, 1812. This much tickets were sold on the second day. Then on third day, this much, 2050. Then on the final day, it was 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold. So you must be knowing now. Find the total number of tickets sold. So how will you write it? So must be knowing, there was an exhibition in school. Okay, in the exhibitions, to go to the exhibition, some tickets you will have to take. Okay, so there must be a counter. So on the counter, on the first day, this much tickets, how many? 1094 tickets were sold on the first day. Then on the second day, then on the third day, then the fourth day. So these are the tickets sold at the counter. Okay, so find the total number of tickets sold. So total how many tickets sold? So what you will do? Yes, definitely you will add this. So but method you have to write. Method how will you write? You write tickets sold on the first day is equals to this much. Then tickets sold on the second day is equals to this much. Then tickets sold on the third day is equal to this much. Tickets sold on the fourth day is equal to this much. At the last, right? Therefore, tickets sold on all 4 days. Okay, or you can write therefore total number of tickets sold here, right? Therefore total number of tickets sold is equals to, you add all these, whatever you will get, that will be your answer. Getting now? Good. So now the next question is, okay, down side I'm writing here next question. Question number 3 for today. Sorry, 3 not 4th one. Okay, question will be, the town newspaper is published every day. The town newspaper is published every day. One copy has 12 pages. One copy has 12 pages. Every day 11,980 copies are printed. Every day 11,980 copies are printed. How many pages are in all printed every day, every month? How many how many pages are in all printed every day and every month. See, you have a newspaper name is town newspaper. So you have a newspaper. In one newspaper there are how many pages? 12 pages. Let's say one newspaper is this, so it has 12 pages. Okay, it has 12 pages. So in one day how many newspapers are printed there? Copies 11,980 newspapers are there. So in one day 11,980 copies of the newspapers are printed. And you are knowing in one newspaper there are 12 pages. So how many pages will be there in all the newspaper? Means in one day total how many pages are being printed? So how will you find it? You must be knowing you have a newspaper, and in one newspaper there are 12 pages. But only one newspaper will not be published, na? So total in one day how many newspapers are being published? 11,980. 1 2 this way 11,980 newspapers are being published. Now in one newspaper you have 12 pages. Okay, so question is being asked how many pages are in all printed in every day. So in one day, because in one day this much newspapers are printed. So in one day total how many pages are printed? In one day how many pages are being printed? So what you will do? In one newspaper 12 pages. So in this much newspaper this and this you will multiply. Okay, you will get the answer for one day. Means in one day this multiply this number of pages are being printed, but in one day. But it is asking about 1 month also. So if you want to find out newspapers are being published in 1 month, so at the last you'll multiply it by 30, because in 1 month there are 30 days. So by 30 you are gonna multiply this. Okay, so how will be the method? First you write there. How will you write? Right there, pages in one newspaper. Pages in one newspaper is equals to how many? 12. Okay, pages in one newspaper is equals to 12. Therefore pages in 11,980 newspapers is equals to what we will do? Okay, I'm writing here. Pages in one newspaper is equals to 12. Therefore pages in 11,980 newspapers is equals to this, and this you will multiply 11,980 multiply 12. So this much will be the answer. Okay, so it means in every day this much pages are being printed. So we will multiply this. 12 is 0, 12 8 is 96, carry 9. 12 9 is 108, 108 plus 9, 117, 7 carry 11. 12 1 is 12, 12 plus 11 will be how much? 23. 12 plus 11 will be 23, carry 2. 12 1 is 12 plus 2, 14. Okay, so this much pages are being printed in one day. So hence 143,760 pages are printed in one day. One day this much pages are printed. But you have to find out for how much, for how many pages are being printed every day this much. In 1 month also you have to find out. Hence pages are printed in 1 month is equals to 1,43,760 multiply by 30. So whatever answer will come, that will be your final answer. Getting this? Note it down. Now the next question. and it will be the last question for today. Question is, write down the question. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. Screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of June 2006? How many screws did it produce in the month of June 2006? So question is, there is a machine and that machine manufactures 2,825 screws in one day. So in one day, these are the screws you must be knowing, like this, which are helpful for putting out the nails, etc. Okay, so in one day you have how many screws? 2,825 screws there. So the machine is there and the machine is producing how many screws in a day? 2,825. And what it is asking, how many screws did it produce in the month of June 2006? So in the month of June 2006, how many screws were produced? One day this much screws are being produced. So in 1 month, means month of June, so you must be knowing how many days in the month of June. January, February, March, April, May, June. 30 days are there. January, February, March, April, May, June. So in the month of June, how many days are there? 30 days. Okay, so means it is asking about how many screws are being produced in 30 days. Okay, so the method will be screws produced in one day is equals to this. Therefore, screws produced in the month of June 2006 is equals to, you will multiply this by how much? Yes, by 30. Getting this? So method will be screws produced in one day is equals to 2,825. Downside, right? Therefore, screws produced in the month of June 2006 is equals to this much multiply by 30 and you will get your answer. Okay dear? Okay then, do these questions. See you.